May 11th, we are about to embark. We were supposed to go on board at 10 o'clock at night, but it's 11:30 and nobody's moving. Here is the whole section of cars ready for boarding. All of them are brand new, and all of them come aboard at a speed that seems to make them fly. What makes this ship strange is the phrase zero emission in port. They're laughing at us. We are all here waiting to go to Rome with the motorbikes. And here we can relax in the cafeteria in front of the restaurant. There are only motorbikes and bikers here. There are a couple of small motorbikes, but all of them are road bikes with special tires to be able to go for miles on the road. And here in the middle is my quad. I don't know if we go up before or after the cars, but we're waiting here. It has been a very intense day, right up to the last moment. I have put products in the luggage that I do not know if I will use, and we have improved small details on the quad that we have seen at the last minute. Today I also left the car, my beloved car. I left it in the garage to be sold. They will give me a replacement when I come back. It was an intense day. In the afternoon, we left for Barcelona in the car with the trailer to pick up the quad, accompanied by my parents and the heiress, my daughter Hanako. This is the first morning of my trip, and I am in the restaurant of the ship that goes from Barcelona to Rome to Civitavecchia. This is my breakfast, the ship's big breakfast. An orange juice, a chocolate croissant, coffee with milk and water. The restaurant is pretty empty. The people on the ship must be in their rooms. And now we are crossing Corsica and Sardinia. On the way to Civitavecchia, I took everything out to reorganize my luggage. This is my backpack with all the audio-visual equipment. Here, inside it has a protective cover, because if it rains during the journey, it can cover everything. Inside is the computer keyboard for speed when I need to work, and the tablet for navigation when I start my quad route. This is where I keep my ID cards, passport, and all the documents I need. And then in here, I have all the gadgets, the drone, the 360 camera, the controllers, the extra batteries, the GoPro cameras, and all the discs to make backups. If you close the backpack, you can see that on the side, a little bit more to the back, I have the computer with the Windows on it. This computer is almost vandal-proof. It can get wet, and it resists all sorts of problems I get from the climate I'm in. And if the other one I carry breaks down, it can also be used as a tablet for the navigator. It is now time for a rearrangement of the luggage, as the departure has been in a hurry. Well, here's all the luggage I am carrying. The sleeping bag prepared for the Himalayas. This is the inflatable mattress, the ratafia for digestive problems, and the tent. This is underwear, socks, and out here I have a bag with some summer shirts. Here I have all the cold protection for the neck, a short hat for the cold, a fully covered hat to protect the neck and ears from the sun, and a hat in case I have to walk. The quad suit and fleece jacket, I carry a lot of protection in case it gets too cold. I also carry waterproof trousers and the waterproof suit and thermal underwear, so you are fully protected when the temperature drops, and it all has to fit in here. I'm sure it will fit because it was already there. Now I'm just sorting it out better. This is a room for 4 people on the Grimaldi cruise from Barcelona to Civitavecchia. This one folds out to make a bunk bed, and next to it is another one just like it, and 2 more beds below. It's a room for 4, but I'm alone at the moment, and I have a view outside. It's very simple, small, but functional. We have arrived in Civitavecchia. They are tying up the cruise ship in the harbor, and when they are finished, they will release our vehicles and we can leave. This is the first level of the garage where they keep all the vehicles. They are already starting to untie the motorbikes.